A lot of people are searching on the internet how to convert an image or a photo into PDF file, and some people are searching a variation of this, like how to convert an JPG into PDF or an image into PDF. So in this video I am going to answer all these questions, wherein I am going to convert this image into a PDF file. By the way, I am using Windows 11. So step 1 is to open the image, and then if I click on these three dots and if I go to save as, the problem generally people face that in this save as type, all the types are the image related types, and so there is no PDF type here. So this is not the way to go about it. If you want to convert a photo into a PDF file, then you have to click this print icon, and if you don't have a print icon here, just press Ctrl and P and this window will pop up. And in this window you have to select the printer. By default it is Adobe PDF. You have to select this Microsoft Print to PDF. So you just have to click this and then press the print button. So it is going to ask you where you want to save it. So I'm going to save it in this folder. So then you have to give the file name and then press save. Now I'm just going to close this image, and you can see that we have a PDF file here. We'll just open this PDF file and see, and as you can see that this image has been converted into a PDF file.